Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Jennifer here. In this video, I share our top 5 Ayurvedic treatments of 2021. As the year draws to an end, we can't help but notice an improvement in our hair health, volume, and length retention. For the first time in 12 months, we haven't experienced any major hair setback or breakage, and it's honestly thanks to these Ayurvedic treatments that we have been implementing all year long. So if you'd like to know more, do keep watching. Fenugreek contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots or hair follicles. The seeds also help in moisturizing the hair and bringing back the luster and bounce. It also fights dandruff and conditions the hair. We've been using Fenugreek for over a year now, and this is one of our most trusted Ayurvedic hair treatments. We usually use it in the form of fenugreek water, a fenugreek oil, or a fenugreek hair mask. Either one of these are really effective for our hair. You guys, we are in love with fenugreek oil if you do not know by now. Fenugreek oil is basically made of fenugreek seeds mixed with a carrier oil of your choice and then stored for days. It is a well-known hair growth booster and it contains thickening properties. Aside from its amazing maple syrup scent, fenugreek has transformed our hair by making it a lot thicker and fuller. The next Ayurvedic treatment that has helped really elevate our hair in 2021 is Neem. Each part of the Neem tree is used to improve well-being and treat ailments. This particular Neem leaf can also be found in our country, Nigeria, and it's called the Dongoyaro plant. The leaves literally can be plucked and ground to a paste for usage, but as you can see here, we're using it in powder form. Neem is known to stimulate hair growth, it conditions the hair, it helps with dandruff and itching, it treats head lice and scalp infections, and it slows down premature graying. Flaxseed oil is so amazing because it helps prevent and restore hair shedding and balding. Flaxseed oil is derived from kalonji seeds, and this is from a plant called Nigella sativa. This plant can be found in Eastern Africa, it can be found in Europe and the Middle East as well. Now, black seed oil is known to be amazing because it contains anti-inflammatory properties. It helps with scalp issues such as psoriasis, fungi issues, but more than anything, it contains something called saponin, which really helps to boost hair growth. Now, black seed oil has many benefits, such as it helps to reduce hair fall. It contains anti-amino acids, which really help to moisturize the hair shaft and reduce hair fall. In turn, it conditions the hair, and it also really boosts hair growth and regrowth of thin areas of the hair. Black seed oil is actually an essential oil and is known to be potent, so it must actually be mixed with a carrier oil. And today we'll be mixing it with argan oil and castor oil. It also contains omega-3 and 6 biomolecules, which are responsible for really circulating the blood flow through the scalp, and this in turn boosts hair growth. And more than anything, it really helps with graying and slowing down the aging process. Chebe is an African hair secret originating from Chad, known and responsible for Chadian women's long and thick hair. Chebe's most powerful benefit is that it strengthens your hair. It stops breakage, which leads to length retention. We honestly can say since we started using Chebe, our hair has gotten a lot thicker, and for the first time in a long while, it has maintained its length. Amla can be used to make a hair oil and a hair mask. Amla is derived from a fruit called the Indian gooseberry. It serves as an excellent agent for boosting hair health and increasing hair growth due to its high iron and keratin content. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Amla is actually considered a superfood for hair because of its rich vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and phytonutrients that increase the circulation of blood throughout the scalp. So guys, thank you so much for watching. These are the top 5 Ayurvedic treatments that have really helped grow our hair in 2021. If you have any Ayurvedic treatment that you'd like to share with us that has really elevated your hair so far, please leave it down in the comment section below. We really appreciate that. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.